Question number third. A worker takes 9 hours to complete a job on daily wages and 6 hours. 9 hours to complete a job on a daily wages and 6 hours on a scheme of payment by result. Means he's completing within 6 hours. His day rate is 75 paisa an hour. The material cost of the products is 5 rupees and the overhead cost recover 150% of the total direct wages. Calculate the factory cost of the product under Rowan and Halsey plan. Let's calculate.
See question number third. Here you will come to know a worker takes 9 hours to complete a job on daily wages and 6 hours. Daily wages and 6 hours. A worker take 9 hours to complete a job on daily wages and 6 hours on a scheme of payment by result. 6 hours is a scheme of payment by results. His day rate is 75 paisa an hour. 1 hour is 75 paisa. The material cost of the product is 4 rupees and the overhead are recorded at 150% of the total direct wages. Calculate the factory cost of the product under Rowan and Halsey plan. What we have to do? Calculate the factory cost of product under Rowan and Halsey plan. First, what we have to do? First, we have to highlight. We have to take necessary what is given in question. Question number third. What is given? Time is given. Time taken is 3. Standard time is 9. Because a worker takes 9 hours to complete a job on daily wages and 6 hours on a scheme of payment by result. Okay, by result means he takes 9 hours to complete a job on daily wages. Means he has to complete a job in 9 hours according to daily basis. But as a result, he is completed within 6 hours. This is the main thing which we have to understand. Standard hours is 9 and the rate is 0.75 paisa. It's 0.75 and percentage is given 150%. First, according to Halsey. T into R, bonus. We are calculating bonus. T into R plus percentage bracket S minus T into R. 6 hours taken 0.75 plus 150%. Standard standard is 9, sorry, minus 6 taken into R is 0.75. Multiply this two. If you multiply these two, you will get 0.4.5 plus 150% also you can take. Okay, it's 150% by mistake it's given at 50%, but 150% is not, it's 50% by mistake is given. It's 50% only, so it will be 3 or 50% of 3 means 1.50. This one into 0.75. You have to multiply with this. This is 4.50. In question it's given 150%, but in question it is wrong. There is only 50%. By mistake, printing mistake, it is given 150. Let's multiply with this. We will get 1.125. The overall answer is 5.625 means 5.63. This is by wages by Halsey. Bonus. Okay, this is by bonus by Halsey. Let's calculate bonus and earnings by Rowan. We have got 5.63. Yes. Wages plan by Halsey. Bonus we can say, or wages. Now with the Rowan's plan. First we have to take the bonus calculation, time save, standard time into time taken into hour. Time save 3, standard time is 9, time taken 6 into hour is 0.75. If you calculate this, you will get 1.5 is a bonus. Now calculate total earnings. Total earnings. The formula for total earnings, T into R plus bonus. Okay. Time taken is 6, R is 0.75, bonus is 1.50. 6 into multiply with this, you will get 4.50 plus 1.50, overall 6. If you calculate by Halsey, total wages is 5.63. If total earnings by Rowan is 6. Now calculation of factory cost. Calculation of factory cost. Okay. Particular by Halsey by Rowan. First, how much material? Material cost 4 and 4. Then wages, how much? Wages 5.625, and here we get 6. Overall is 9.625. Here 10 we got. Okay. Plus factory overhead. Factory overhead cost. Factory overhead cost is calculated wages into how much. Here you can take 150%. That's percentage of bonus is not given, that's why we have here you can take 150%. Sorry, here you can take 5.625 into 150 percentage. Okay, by mistake I said that here that 150 is wrong. Actually here you can take, because I forget that one. Okay, here 8.4375, and for this 6 into 150 percentage means 9. Here it's 19, here it will 18.0625. So overall factory cost is 18.0625 and here is 19 according to Halsey and Rowen's plan. Okay, this is how we can calculate the factory cost.